Hey, what's going on, guys? Exciting day today. Just got all my Yeti stuff that I just ordered in the mail from UPS. So I went ahead and got the Yeti, excuse me, the Yeti Hopper 18, along with a Sidekick and a couple accessories to go along with it. So yeah, let's get it unboxed and see what we got here. Alright, so fresh out the box here, just a cooler. Right there. First impressions are, it's pretty nice, feels pretty sturdy, pretty well built. Zipper's a bit tough, but that's alright. Let's see. Inside comes a little packet, product information, and some zipper lubricant, as well as your strap. So I'm pretty excited about this cooler. Talk about the dimensions real quick. So it's 16¼ inches this way, 13 inches tall, and then 10¾ inches wide right here. 5.1 pounds dry weight. And they say it'll hold 20 cans of beer with 24 pounds of ice with a 2-to-1 ratio of ice to beer or soda or whatever kind of cans. Let's see. Some of the features they talk about: the dry hide shell. It's supposedly a waterproof cooler. When you touch it, it kind of feels like a Zodiac boat or like a white water rafting boat or something like that. It's supposed to be resistant to mildew, punctures, UV rays, and things like that. The inside, the liner, FDA approved liner, so for any reason you're putting stuff in there that needs to be a food safe storage container, you're covered. The zipper, a hydrolock zipper, it's pretty crazy. As you can see, like if I do this right here, air and stuff will come out as soon as you close it up. I mean, there's nothing. This thing is airtight, watertight, no leaks or anything coming out of this thing. I like the wide opening of it. You put all your stuff in there, open it right up. You can see what's in your cooler, have access to it easily without having to root around too much to find stuff. And then, of course, they call this their hitch point system, so you can attach different accessories to it, or anything that's like really. It's kind of like a molly system. Anything that's molly, looks like you can put it on there. Velcro patch here. They sell little patches, or you can put like an American flag, something like that on there. Pretty cool. So that is the cooler there. Let me get in, open this bad boy up. Got this to go on the outside. And this is the Sidekick Dry. So I got it to match. This thing is going to be about, see, they say 7 1/8 inches tall, 11 3/4 inches long, and then just 3 1/4 inches wide. It's got the same dry hide technology shell here, so it's going to have all the same features there. And the seams, they're all RF welded to protect against any leaks or anything like that. And then the main opening here, it's got this Velcro thing, but the main waterproof is supposed to be these high-powered magnets. So it closes right up, you lock it down, and they say it's waterproof. Again, I'm pushing pretty hard and no air's coming out. So if air's not coming out, I don't think water's getting in. But inside, you can see it's got a little pouch there and just a standard little area to keep all your stuff dry. To attach it, To attach it, looks like it's pretty simple. These are Velcro, so it's going to go just through the little hitch point system here, and then just sit on here, just like this. So, pretty excited about it. About to get it set up, play with it, use it, and then come back and check in, and we'll talk about how it's been performing and stuff like that. All right, thanks.